Hello my sunshines and welcome back to my channel, a channel of positivity. So today we have something very special. This is going to be one of the best hauls I have made till date. It's gonna have something very special, so make sure that you are watching till the end because somewhere in the middle I'm going to pull out a really awesome product. In today's video we are going to do a stitching haul and I'm going to show you all the products that I went and got out, and I'm so excited because there are a lot of beautiful stitching accessories that you can use for your next stitching project. So without any further delay, let's get into the video.
Subscribe to be a part of the Sunshine Squad.
So let's check what's inside this boring old box. We'll open it up and see. So it's an Usha sewing kit box. Ta-da! So I already opened it up in case you were wondering, and I already know what's inside the products, but I could not control myself. I had to open it. I actually wanted to open it in front of you all, but I couldn't wait. So let's see. There's a nice clip here, so I'll open that. And it comes with a handle which I can open. So there's this lovely case inside. I'll open it up. I love opening plastic. Like, you know that new feeling that you get when you open new items? That's my most favorite feeling in the world. New items. So here's a glass container into which you can put all kinds of things. You can put it right on top over here. And it's amazing to keep even your jewelry or your makeup items, your lipsticks. I think this is really wonderful. It's the Usha sewing kit box. This box comes for 350 rupees, but I got it for free with an item which I will tell you about later. The secret item. So yeah, wait for that. I'll show you all the things I got in this box. I got a lavender thread, white, black, and a pink colored thread, light pink color. So I got 4 thread balls with me. I have a tiny pair of scissors, a stitch remover, buttons. So these are those clip-on buttons. I have more needles. I have 2 safety pins right here. Okay, I have no idea what this is. And I have 4 bobbin thread holders and a needle threader. Love this case. It's so beautiful and so nice. It makes an amazing vanity kit. You get stitching products in this as well as a really beautiful box that you can use as a vanity kit. So I think it's a really good buy if you are thinking of purchasing this. So now let's check what's in this bag. So as you can see, it's a nice big yellow bag, and let's see what's inside. So the first item is this. It's the Fevicryl acrylic colors. So you can use these paints on your fabric as well. I'll open it and show you. So we have these lovely clips that you can easily open. I love the packaging. It's really nice and sturdy. This paint box also comes with this cute little drawing on this side, but on this side they have shown all the colors that you can mix to create the resulting color. Like for example, crimson and yellow makes orange. It shows you all the shade mixing that you require to create another color. So you don't have only these colors, you can make your own colors as well. So this is what the box looks like. It has this deep purple color. It's really beautiful. This is one of my favorite colors, yellow. It's really bright to look really nice on fabric. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's a really bright yellow color, which I really like. Sometimes you get a little faded yellows, which don't really look good on fabric. This is the brown color. It's called burnt. This is black. It looks a little blue on the outside, but it's actually black. This is a nice olive green color. There's white, then there is orange. I love this orange, it's so pretty. It's lovely green, oh my gosh. This is also one of my favorites. This is this beautiful green color. I love it. And then there is this lovely crimson red, as I told you earlier. Love this red. And blue. Oh my gosh, this bright electric blue. And yeah, those are the colors. Next, I have lovely pearly pins. I love them. They are such beautiful pearls on top. So I can use this to keep my cloth in place while stitching. So they're called pony pearlized head pins. They would look really nice as a wedding gown accessory. Next thing is the Fevicryl fabric glue. This is an amazing product. You can use this to attach cloth pieces together and you don't even have to learn how to stitch. You can make your own clothes with just this fabric glue. A lot of people have great ideas and designs in their minds and they want to make that into reality. But the only thing that they can think of is going to the tailor to stitch a beautiful outfit. But that is so not true. You can use fabric glue and make amazing pieces of work and create amazing outfits for yourself. So fabric glue is a must. My first preference was the E6000 glue, but there were a lot of fake products on Amazon, and the real product, which seemed real at least, was really expensive. So I just settled for this Fevicryl fabric glue. It is really affordable. I still have to try it, so I will try it in my future videos and I will let you know about the product. Let's see what's in this bag. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. Two products came together. So I'll show you the first one that you saw. This is elastic. Ooh, like so it's really nice elastic. This is for pants and yeah, anything else that you would like to put elastic for. This is a beautiful ribbon. It's so beautiful. It's a lovely silver ribbon that I got for quite cheap. So I thought, you know, I would use it somewhere. So I picked it up. So the next item on my list is lace. Look at this beautiful lace. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I mean, you can put this on wedding gowns. You can put it to hem different outfits. It's so beautiful and so versatile. You can use it anywhere and I just love it. It's so beautiful. I don't want to unravel the whole thing. But yeah, it's really pretty. So somebody else was getting this lace and I literally was like, I want what she's buying. Because this was so beautiful and I couldn't stop myself. I had to get this pretty lace. Next I bought measuring tape. First she gave me a different color, I think green or something like that, and I was like, can I have the pink one please? I really like the pink one and I wanted to feel joyful while stitching, so I got the pink one. Next I got the red stitch remover. Yes, she asked me later which color would you like and I said I want the red one. If y'all don't know, a stitch remover is used to remove stitches. So in case you've sewed your dress wrong, then you can always remove your stitches with this stitch remover. So before I got that vanity kit, I bought these items. So I bought more needles. Next I bought two Fevicryl 3D fabric. Next I bought two Fevicryl 3D fabric glitters. So this is so awesome. I can just put glitter on top of my outfits. So in case my outfit lacks a little bit of shine, I can always use fabric glitter to spice things up. Here are some gems. I'll open the packet and show you. Look at these. Aren't they a beauty? Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. So these lovely gems, they're like little diamonds, but they're not real. That you can put on your outfit to add that bling. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. There was a golden colored one and this is the silver one. I decided to pick the silver one because it is bright. You can see from a mile away and it looks like a diamond necklace. It's so beautiful. I can put this on a few dresses. It's really nice. It's pretty long also. This was a little pricey, but it's worth it. So these are brass bite hooks, and this is what it looks like. There are so many, so I can put them on different outfits. I have to put all the stuff back. Oh my gosh, it's literally falling everywhere. So in case you all don't know, I went for stitching classes for about 1.5 months before quarantine. And yeah, I learned a thing or two about basic stitching, but I am not a professional, so I bought this stuff. Hopefully I will stitch some nice new outfits. Let's take out the next item. Yay! So this is what it is. These are stitching scissors. So it's for cloth. I love them. It's so pretty. Do I open it? I don't know. Should I? Should I not? Okay, let's open it. Oh gosh. I think I need scissors to open this. Or I'll just cut it open with these. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I need scissors to open them. Let's open this box and borrow the scissors from here to open this box. That's why these scissors come in handy. I love that they are both blue, so that's cool. Let's open these. Let's open the big scissor with a mini scissor. Woo. This is so, oh my god, this is so ironic. Oh gosh, I'm opening big scissors with mini scissors. Packaging is really strong and sturdy, so nothing would have possibly happened to these scissors, but oh gosh. There it is. Oh my gosh, these are like so tiny. I literally had to like squeeze my fingers out. Okay, let's check this. Oh, this is still there, stuck inside. Oh gosh. What is this? I hope I don't hurt myself doing this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's painful. Finally! Oh my gosh. Finally they are out. I was literally struggling with the small scissors to get it off my hand. But this is what it's like. This is like baby shark. And this is like daddy shark. Or grandpa shark, I don't know. But these scissors are so good. Oh my gosh. I'm going to enjoy cutting with these. So it's a pony scissors. They have a cute little pony here. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, these are gorgeous. I'm so excited to show you all the surprise, but I won't show it right now. You'll have to wait till the end, because at the end, there's going to be this amazing, awesome surprise. So you'll have to wait. Next is this beautiful aqua blue bag that I'm going to open right now. Oh my gosh, this is the fabric. Let me open and show you. This is the velvet black fabric. It's so beautiful. It's this beautiful velvet black, and it has a lovely shimmer. I don't know if you can see, but it has this beautiful shimmer. And I'm going to use this and the next cloth piece for my Christmas gown. So this is going to be the top of my gown, and this is going to be the bottom half. So this is this lovely emerald green. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's this beautiful emerald green. This is the color. It's the emerald green. This also shimmers, but you can't see much of the shimmer on camera. So, but it's a really beautiful shimmer. So I'm going to use this as the skirt of my gown. And yes, I am going to stitch this gown myself, and I'm going to make a video about this whole procedure of how I make this gown for the first time, and I'm so excited to show it to you all. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you've clicked the bell and done everything so that you are updated on the next video when I make this gown. What else is in this bag? I thought it was empty, but there's still more stuff. There are 2 zips as well. Both are black invisible zips. So I have never stitched invisible zips before. I've never stitched any zip before. But this is going to be a task, or it's going to be like either difficult or a lot of fun. So we'll see. But yeah, I have 2 black zips which are going to go on the top and the bottom as well. I have another thread ball. It's black in color. And I also have these hooks. I don't know if you can see. So these hooks will go on to my skirt, and then I will pin up my skirt with these hooks. So the next item is the surprise. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show it to you all. Get ready for the surprise. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's pretty heavy. It's a heavy box. Gigantic. It's a really big box. But what's in this box? If you saw it really quick, you must have guessed. But not really. Okay, so let me tell you before you all start filing bad words in the comments. Okay, we'll open it up first. No, or let me just show you. Okay, so this is a Barbie. This is the Barbie sewing machine, guys. Take a look. Do you love it? Because I do. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show it to all of you. Let me explain. So I searched online for a sewing machine. I searched on Amazon. There were different types of sewing machines, but most of the models looked like they are made for grandmothers or machine grade sewing machines, or the olden times, manual sewing machine. And I didn't want that. I wanted an electric sewing machine. We already have 2 manual sewing machines at home. And my dad was like, use that only. But I wanted an electric sewing machine because I know it works 1,000 times better. And the explanation I gave to him was, you can either wash your clothes by hand or you can wash it using a washing machine. You can wash clothes with both, but a washing machine is always more convenient. It's the same with an automatic sewing machine. An automatic sewing machine is much more convenient, and it also functions really well. An automatic sewing machine is much more convenient, so things won't break easily like a manual sewing machine. My mom has a manual sewing machine. My grandmom has a manual sewing machine as well. But I've noticed that when they used to use it, the belt of the sewing machine used to constantly break, and they used to tie it up, buy a new one, which was something that I really wasn't comfortable with, because every time you're stitching, there is some of the other issue that pops up, which I did not want. It really drains you out when you're stitching. So I decided to make the move and finally invest in a good sewing machine, because I know that I will be using it for a really long time. So as I was saying, I searched on Amazon for the best sewing machine for me, but either it was for a grandmother or it was for little kids. I had to choose between these 2 options, and I preferred choosing kiddie sewing machine over grandma sewing machine any day. It's the kid in me that wanted this sewing machine really bad. It was pink in color. What more could I ask for? And it's a really good sewing machine, okay? It's the 2018 model. So there was a 2018 model and then there was a 2020 model. It's literally the same. The only difference is it did not have Barbie in the 2020 model, and it had an automatic threading function. So that's the only downside. I'll have to thread the needle myself. And the 2020 version had flowers on it, and it was looking a little bit like grandma's sewing machine, but this Barbie one really got me excited. I know that, if I purchase this one, it will help me to, sit at my machine for long hours because it's so beautiful. I mean, it's just a joy of, looking at something beautiful and just stitching. Now imagine this, you are looking at a really boring grandma machine. Would you really want to go there, get your cloth and start sewing? No, it really will drain you out and you're like, I have to sit at the table again. No. So I thought this Barbie machine is so exciting that, I would be so excited and motivated to stitch every day. This Barbie sewing machine also came with another box, which I'll show you right now, and then I'll show you the machine. This is the Barbie sewing kit it came with. It comes in a lovely bubble wrap as well, which I tore off. I was so excited, I had to see what's inside. So let me show you. This is what's inside the Barbie box. This is what it looks like. This is what's inside the sewing kit. It comes with some cloth to make a Barbie dress that I'll show you. So it has 3 pieces of fabric. And it came in this packet actually. So there is a manual, a book. I'll open it and show you. So there's this lovely book manual that explains how you can sew this dress. So this is what it looks like. It's beautiful manual on how to stitch this Barbie dress, how to make gathers on the skirt. It's really nice. I love this book. It's so pretty. But the only downside is they made a whole book just to stitch a really small Barbie dress, which is crazy. It also came with some red velvet ribbon, Velcro. I have a whole packet of Velcro with me as well that I bought earlier. It also comes with 2 thread balls as well. So this is the red and the pink thread ball. There weren't a lot of stuff as I expected there to be in this box because it looked really fabulous on the outside, but there were a few items inside as compared to the other box. It had a lot of thread balls in them. This just had 2. I expected more than that. This box also came with a pair of scissors. These beautiful, lovely purple scissors. So I tried them out. Okay. This is also pony. So this is like the mini version of my big pair right here. But it does cut cloth quite well. But it's a mini version. It also comes with a CD, but I haven't watched the CD yet. I think it explains about how to stitch this dress in detail, but I have watched a tutorial on YouTube about how to use this machine. It's by Usha itself. So here are a few sequences. Let me show you. So these are beautiful bronze sequences which I really like. A few pearls. These are quite few, I mean, I expected like the packet to be full. Like these are just like to test the beads out. There are blue ones as well. And then there are these lovely yellow color buttons. I like these buttons. They're so pretty. Yellow and white. So cute. So that's it for the box. This is an amazing box. I mean, I think the box itself is like 500 bucks. It's just so beautiful and so nice to keep all your things in here, your lipstick, makeup. So this box can come in really handy. So now let's go on to our final main major product, the sewing machine. Are you all excited? Okay, let's go and do this. The wait is finally over, and so is the weight. Oh my god, it's really heavy. Okay, let's open this up. Let me take the scissors. Okay, this is what the box looks like, by the way, on all sides. I don't know if you can see much, but there are lovely sewing instructions of what you can do with this machine on the sides. Comes with a book. I will show you soon. It's a plastic Let's open this baby. this is what the sewing machine looks like. Let me remove it out. So finally, this is what the sewing machine looks like. Oh my gosh. I'm going to use some B-roll in here.
There are some goodies inside the extension table. That's a darning plate for embroidery work. That's a buttonhole foot. Here are a few extra machine needles. The machine comes with 4 extra plastic bobbins. That's a seam foot. I got 2 extra feet free with the sewing machine as compared to the Allure sewing machine. I'm really not sure how to use them yet, so hopefully I'll try them out and see. I'm so excited and I can't wait to use the electric sewing machine. I just hope that I'm good at it. Here's a key to unlock the needle and change it with another one. This is a seam ripper. It is used to cut buttonholes. That's the backstitch button. That's the hand wheel used to operate the machine manually. You can pull it out to wind the bobbin. That's the automatic foot pedal. I wish it was white or pink instead. That's the stitch selector dial. Those are the stitch options in alphabetical order. That's the stitch length dial. That's where you keep the thread ball. That's the thread take-up lever. It is used to maintain the tension in the thread. I'm so glad that they gave a plastic cover for the machine. This will protect the machine from dust and dirt, but I would prefer a harder cover for the machine, but then that would make the machine a bit more expensive. When I saw a hole in the plastic cover, I got a bit scared, but then I realized that it was for the handle.
So I also got this package in the box. Let's just open it and see. So in this accessory catalog, you can see what are the different feet that are used in the machine. It really explains everything in detail of how you can use different feet for your machine. The next is the Barbie sewing book. My book of sewing and dressmaking, your step-by-step guide to becoming a designer. So cool. The fact that this whole range is in Barbie is so amazing because the YouTube videos are really easy. In the videos, everything is explained like as if they're explaining it to a little kid. So that's what I like about it. This is what the book looks like. Barbie, my book of sewing and dressmaking. Okay, let's see. Wow. Oh my gosh. It has table of contents and everything. I don't know if you can see, but it's really amazing. Sewing essential tools. Wow. Wow. I love this book. It's so pretty. It has pictures as well. They're so nice. I wish I could show each page to you, but it's really awesome. Like, this book is really beautiful. Very useful. This is going to come in really handy. So this is the instruction manual. I don't know if you can see properly. Instruction manual. This is what it looks like. It has a whole big book, not like those small tiny books. It's a really nice big book. That's what I like about it. It explains everything in detail, and that is really, really awesome. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I loved filming it. It was so exciting to show you all the products that I bought. And yeah, I hope you loved it, enjoyed it. Please share it with your friends and family. It would mean the world to me. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I love you all. And it would be really, really awesome if you did. So please go ahead and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Bye.